Hi, I'm Lacey Laloa, Deputy Unit Commander at Lismore City SES. People in the Lismore area need to know that Lismore will flood again. That's a fact. It is so important to have a plan. Make sure you talk with your family and friends about what you will do in a flood so that everyone knows what to do and what to expect. Just a little preparation can save lives. If you live in, work in or visit the Lismore area, you can follow these simple steps now to prepare for floods. Prepare a basic kit in case you need to evacuate in a hurry and store your kit in an easy to access location. Find out about the key evacuation routes. Check with friends and relatives outside the floodplain area to organise a place to go. Keep local emergency numbers handy, near your phone, in your mobile or on your fridge. And make sure that your insurance is current and suitable to your situation and risk. In case of an evacuation order, it is important to grab your home emergency kit, which can include important documents, passports, medications, personal items and your pets. Please visit the New South Wales SES website to learn how to best prepare you and your family.